Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to close the fiscal year in QuickBooks Online. Closing your books is an important step to keep your financial records accurate and prepare your business for the new year. Start by opening your web browser and logging into QuickBooks Online. If you see multiple QuickBooks products, be sure to select QuickBooks Online so you're in the right platform. Enter your login credentials and complete any two-factor authentication to securely access your account. Once inside, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Account and Settings. From there, click on the Advanced section. Look for the option called Close the Books and turn it on. This will lock your financial records and help prevent unauthorized changes. Next, select your closing date. For many businesses, this is December 31st, but you should choose the date that matches your fiscal year end. This step finalizes your books for that year. Finally, save your settings to confirm the closure. Before doing this, it's a good idea to review your financial reports and back up your data just to avoid any future issues. And that's how you close the fiscal year in QuickBooks Online. For more QuickBooks tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other tutorials.